Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. I know this is what guys have been waiting for. They want to know if the factory TRD Pro wheels will fit with 37s without wheel spacers. The answer to that question is yes, they will. It does not hit the upper control arm. It does not hit the felt in the front with proper alignment. We did do the alignment on this with proper alignment. It does not hit. It does not hit when you pin back the lower fender felt here in the back. One thing I will tell you is the front mount here that's in the rear of the tire here. That is the safety mount that Toyota has put in to push the tire away in an impact situation. It grazes the edge of the tread right here across the face of it. So at full steering lock, it does rub that very so lightly. So it really is going to come down to tire size on that. So these Falcons are pretty true to size. So they are a larger tire. The BFG KO2s, the BFG KM3s, they tend to be a half-inch smaller in size. They don't tend to rub, and that's because you're taking off a quarter in the back of the tire and a quarter in the front. Gives you a little more room, just enough room that where you're going to run safe with that tire. But we chose these tires with our customer because we wanted this truck to retain its factory look, in which it does very well. We've put the larger tire of the same tire that came on this truck from the factory, and it looks really, really good. And we were super impressed. We were concerned that it was going to have to run a wheel shim here, a very small one, to clear the control arm at full steering lock. It does not rub the upper control arm at all. So I'm going to get in the car. My buddy Eric that's running the camera here is going to look into the fender here. I'm going to turn the wheel, and we're going to show you how it clears on both the front and the back. It is tight, but it does clear. So it works really, really well the way this is set up. It doesn't hit the sway bar, it doesn't hit the liner, and it doesn't hit the upper control arm. So I would say that this is definitely a great option for you guys wanting to run this 37 12.5 by 18 on the factory wheel. The offset is a +30, so it does clear. The factory offset is a +60. Obviously needs the wheel shim to do so on the non-pro models. We love the way it looks. It came out really good. We're super happy with this. We also installed a rigid light bar with our new light bar mount in the front here. We're in the process of doing our D-rings here in the bumper right here like we did on a previous model. We're also doing a set of rigid fogs on this early next week. And then also we are doing our first set of rock sliders on this truck for our customer. So we hope you guys enjoy this, and it looks great, and we're really excited about it, and hopefully you guys are excited about it. And this does have our lift in it, so we've lifted the front on this truck, front and rear, so it fits just perfect. The ride is it's like butter, so the ride is extremely good on this. You're not going to compromise your axles. This thing aligns perfectly, so this whole kit has come out exactly the way we want it to. So we hope you guys enjoy it.